Welcome. In front of me is a TCL 10 Tab Max, and today I will show you how we can boot this tablet into safe mode. So to get started, hold your power key, and once you see your boot options, you want to hold power off. This will then bring up a window, reboot to safe mode, so confirm it by tapping on OK. Obviously this will initiate that reboot. Once the device boots up, it will then be in safe mode, and in safe mode you'll only be able to use the pre-installed applications, and probably on top of that not even all of them. And the reason for that is just to troubleshoot your device. So if you have some kind of problem with some application, you can resolve it in safe mode, and that's basically all you can do there. So once you're done with safe mode, you can then reboot the device to just go back to the normal mode, so you can continue using your device as you would normally do. So now we can see that it's now on, and we have this little marking right here, safe mode, and once it actually shows icons, you should be able to see, there we go, widgets don't actually work. For some reason Duo and Assistant don't work here either. I can differentiate the applications that will not work because they will be monochrome. As you can see, normally Duo is like a bluish color with a white camera. It's just black and white now. We also have whatever this is that won't work, and yep, that looks like all. So anyway, that is how we can boot into safe mode, and like I mentioned, to leave it, just hold the power key and select restart. Once the device boots back up, it will be in normal mode. So with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.